In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Salesforce, top 6 tips and ways to learn Salesforce for freshers. If you're starting from zero, this roadmap will help you build skills, confidence, and credibility the smart way. Begin with Trailhead, Salesforce's free gamified learning platform. Pick beginner trails, follow the guided modules, and earn badges as you go. Create a simple weekly plan, short sessions often, and use Trailhead playgrounds to complete the hands-on challenges. Focus on core concepts like data modeling, security basics, reports, dashboards, and automation fundamentals. The badges aren't just points, they prove that you can apply what you learn. Next, work toward an entry-level certification. The Salesforce Associate is a gentle introduction. The Certified Administrator is the most recognized starting point. Download the exam guide, map each topic to Trailhead modules or official docs, and schedule your exam to keep yourself accountable. Practice with sample questions to spot gaps and aim to understand why each answer is right or wrong. Certifications signal employers that you're serious and job ready. Build real experience in a safe space using a free developer edition org. This is your personal lab. Create custom objects and fields, validation rules, page layouts, and permission sets. Import sample data, write reports and dashboards, and try common admin tasks end to end. It's okay to break things here. Just document what happened and how you fixed it. Those notes become interview stories. Double down on declarative automation, especially Salesforce Flow. Start with record-triggered flows for everyday processes, then explore screen flows for guided user experiences. Use clear naming, keep flows modular, avoid hard-coded IDs, and test with the debugger and sample records. Understanding when to automate and when not to will set you apart. Don't learn alone. Join Trailblazer community groups, local or virtual. Ask questions, attend study sessions, and find mentors. Real-world scenarios from the community will sharpen your judgment faster than studying in isolation, and you'll hear how people solve problems in different industries. Finally, showcase your work. Build a simple portfolio that includes your Trailhead profile, certifications, screenshots, or short write-ups of flows and dashboards you built, and a brief summary of the business problems they solve. Add this to your resume and LinkedIn. Use clear achievement statements and keep everything up to date as you learn. Follow this path, stay consistent, and iterate. With steady practice, you'll move from fresher to trusted Salesforce professional. Save your progress, reflect on what you've built each week, and keep aligning your learning with the roles you're targeting, such as admin, business analyst, or consultant.